Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is August the 5th, 2022. We're going to talk about Bitcoin today because I saw an article talking about some individuals are looking for Bitcoin to run down to $3,000 as if that is going to be the bottom. So I wanted to come in and show you all what the chart is reflecting in terms of that, or where the market is trying to go in Bitcoin. So before I get started, as always, I like to plug each and every one of you all into my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I create price predictions. I make sure that we are able to tell and forecast price movements so that we can be in position for one, and then two, that we can potentially profit from the move, all without being confused. So if you guys want to join me, to those who are new, then hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well if you want to learn how to do this on your own. Every video that I conduct, every video that I produce is an opportunity for you all to see how this market really works and how you can become better at looking at price charts for yourself. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about Bitcoin. I did a video for Bitcoin on the 29th of July. You guys can see that my price prediction is still ongoing. I was looking for the market in Bitcoin to continue to see an upward price move. You guys can see this is where the market in Bitcoin was on the 29th, and the market currently is still reflecting some slight weakness, right? So after July the 29th, price in Bitcoin has begun inundated with some sellers. I'll admit to that. And that has literally, you guys can tell the market has been going down in Bitcoin since July the 29th. Now the question is, are the buyers buying up the selling? Because if they are, then this would tell us that our price prediction is still valid. And currently, what I'm seeing into the market in Bitcoin today is literally just that. The market is still showing us that the buyers are willing to buy up whoever is selling their Bitcoin into the market. So today is going to be real important to see Bitcoin close higher than the previous 2 days. You guys can see if the price in Bitcoin closes higher than 2 days ago, then we can suspect that the buyers are still in control of the market in Bitcoin right here. Okay, so far Bitcoin is up 2.5%. Fantastic. But they got the hurdle. This is the hurdle for the buyers. You guys can see all of these trading days right here, how the market in Bitcoin neglected and failed in trading above $24,000. We need to keep our eyes open for that to allow the market in Bitcoin to break through that. So we really want to see the market in Bitcoin do this and break past $24,000 and continue to trend higher. Okay, now real quick, let's get back to that question of us seeing Bitcoin fall down to $3,000. You guys can see it. A fall to $3,000 is pretty monumental. I mean, when you see this, that is literally seeing Bitcoin fall around 88%, 85% fall in Bitcoin. Look at that. That's a massive drop in valuation for Bitcoin. Now, do you think that's possible to see that occur? Currently, the answer is yes. It's possible only because we can see how Bitcoin's price is still trending below this overall downtrend line, right? So we can still see the price in Bitcoin go down. So the only way that we can kind of say that Bitcoin is not going to fall down to $3,000 is when the market in Bitcoin breaks outside of this downtrend line. It has to do that. Okay. So let's go ahead and get back to my overall price prediction into the market in Bitcoin. You guys can tell, let me look at this on a longer term basis. So this is Bitcoin here on a 3 months chart. And right here over the last 3 months, it is indicative of some pretty good indication of weakness. I mean, the spread of that 3 month price bar literally tells us that there wasn't no buyers in between this whole spread. The market could not find a buyer, or a majority of buyers who was willing to buy up whoever sold their Bitcoin in the market. It couldn't do it. And then you look at this on the 6 months chart, you guys can see that that spread is even wider. So for us to see the market in Bitcoin continue to hit that $3,000 price, when you look at the magnitude of this 6 months price bar, it would not be out the norm for us to not see Bitcoin's price hit $3,000. But that is so far away. So, I mean, it doesn't look like it's immediate. It doesn't look like it's about to happen real quick, real soon, but it's just something that you want to keep on the radar. And, you know, keep it locked in here because I will definitely continue to give you all ideas as to how the market in Bitcoin is trending way before the idea of looking at Bitcoin fall to $3,000 happens. All right. So currently, I'm still going to maintain my bullishness into the market in Bitcoin, given what's going on into the market today, of us seeing the price over the last 7 days trend down, and we finally get one day to where the market actually is finding a bid. Lets me know that the buyers are still trying to control the price. So I'm going to continue to hold out on this price prediction right here in Bitcoin. And I'm still looking for the market to move higher. Now you need to go back to my last video, which was produced on the 29th of July, to see my price targets, because I'm not necessarily sure why I have listed or where I said that we're going to be. So just take a quick second after you get done listening to me on this video and go see what was talked about on the 29th of July for Bitcoin. And one more thing before I let you all go, I want you all to see how Bitcoin's price also is keeping in line with the overall trend. So we haven't broken the trend in Bitcoin, so all is well in that sense. We're still trending higher in Bitcoin. All right, so that is it. To those who want to go ahead and drop a price prediction, a price target in Bitcoin, you guys can go ahead and do that right now. As of today, I'm going to continue with what I've been speaking on ever since July the 18th, in or around that particular time. The 20th of July is when I originally had this price prediction on the chart, and I'm still going to continue to go forward with that market move higher in Bitcoin. So I'm not changing that. So it's your turn to go ahead and hit me up. Let me know as to what you think Bitcoin is going to do as we trade throughout the month of August. Let me extend this out to September. And that is it. Your turn. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.